Jatend migao mar Pii Eric Muuga oyawo ayanga kar kuoyo pii ma Baringo maromo ekas 168 madhi konyo chwalo chenro mag dongruok e kind od buche ariyo ma kaunti ma Baringo. Muuga wacho ni kar kuoyo pii ma kamano dhi konyo jopur ma kwan gi ohewa 1,000 mawuok e kaunti no e yore yudo pii moromo e dhiro nyime weche mag pur. Eneno ni chiemo obedo mathoth e pacho kae. Jotelo moteno jatend migao no okwa oganda makono mondo tii kanyakla ne one gi chwalo weche mag dongruoge. Bende giwacho ni chenro ni dhi kelo yot e kind jopur makono.
We have had conversation with the contractor. He is lagging behind by almost 8%. He's at 25. He's supposed to be at 33. And that means he has not mobilized as required. The challenge is where we differed a little bit because he has been paid the advance payment. He has also been paid all his certificates, nothing pending. So we have requested him to mobilize more, especially if you look at where we are standing today. The pipe is lying on boulders, which is very wrong, depending on our contract documents. And we have asked him to mobilize more staff. And also, as a ministry, we have a responsibility of oversight. And now we risk the pipe being punctured by the boulders. And it's a Class C pipe. So it means its strength is not very much. That is according to the design, which is okay because of the flat terrain.
Hii mradi ambaye imekuja italete maendeleo katika sehemu hii. Watu wa sehemu hii wamekuwa wameanza hii kazi ya irrigation ya nyanya. Na walikuwa wanaenda mtoni wanapiga kutumia generators. Saa hii maji itakuwa gravity. So itapunguza gharama ambayo wangetumia kwa mafuta, kwa machines ambayo wangekuwa wananunua kila wakati. Kwa maana machines ungenunua mwaka moja, the next year unanunua ngine.
Kwa ng'ado piny Kenya wadhi e pinje maoko, piny Namibia koro donje buk